Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Chilaquiles, pronounced chilaquiles, are a traditional Mexican breakfast made with tortilla chips simmered in sauce. Typically, they're made with green salsa, in Spanish, salsa verde, which yields chilaquiles verde, or red enchilada sauce, chilaquiles rojos.
Let's help you make your mark.
A Mexican dish of fried corn tortilla pieces simmered with salsa or mole and typically topped with cheese and other accompaniments, such as sliced onions, shredded chicken, and fried or scrambled eggs.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.